Hi everyone, this video is being posted on Tuesday, March 1st, 2022. I'm coming to you from the Moffett Student Center here on campus. I'm Bob Siock, the Registrar here at Johnson College. Today I'm filling in for Dr. Katie, who is unavailable because she's off developing her own recipe for shamrock shakes. At least that's what I've been told. There's still time for students to get help creating or updating their resumes for the on-campus career fair on March 23rd. The Academic Resource Center is offering one last resume workshop session on Thursday, March 17th from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. A resume is essential, so students, please stop by the Resource Center today to reserve your spot in the workshop. Students, if you're graduating in May and plan to participate in commencement, please visit the commencement page on our website, johnson.edu. There you'll find information about the ceremony and how to order your cap and gown. Please don't wait. May you'll be here before you know it. Our next on-campus open house is being held on Saturday, March 26th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. If you know someone interested in attending Johnson College, be sure to tell them to visit johnson.edu/open house to learn more and to register for our spring open house. As I said earlier, I'm the registrar here at the college, but not many people know what a registrar does, so I thought I'd explain. Simply put, a registrar's office maintains and preserves all the student records at the college. We also help students register into and out of their courses and verify their enrollment. We complete any licensure or certification paperwork students or graduates need to practice their trade in Pennsylvania or a different state. Plus, we issue transcripts and degree verification for employment or when students continue their education after Johnson College. From a student's first day to graduation and beyond, the registrar's office is here to help. And now for my final note of the week. Recently I was asked what working for the college means to me. It means a lot. I have the honor to help students better themselves and their ability to contribute to the social and economic fabric that makes up our nation and our region. My dad graduated from Johnson College in 1958 as a machinist. His education provided him with a long and satisfying career. Growing up, I remember him coming home many nights discussing different jobs he worked on or problems he solved. It gave him a tremendous sense of satisfaction and pride. When I help students attain that same lifelong sense of empowerment that comes from practicing the skill or craft they learned at Johnson College that my dad experienced, it means the world to me and inspires me to work even harder for our students. That's it for this week's Presidential Update video from the Moffett Student Center. Hopefully Dr. Katie will master her shamrock shake recipe soon and, more importantly, share it. I'm Bob Siock. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, be well, and have a great week.